Hey there. Today we're going to look at arrays in Perl. What is an array? Technically speaking, an array is a variable in Perl that contains a list. Most people use those terms interchangeably, and it's fine to do that for Perl also. But technically speaking, it's a variable and it contains a list of data. And a list is an ordered collection of data. There's a couple of ways that you can create a list or an array in Perl. The easiest way, I think, is to use the QW shortcut, which stands for quoted words. Use a delimiter, and then you just type out your list. But you can also, if you wanted, create your array like this, parentheses, and then you just got to type in all of these extra quotes. I don't like to type in the extra quotes, so I use QW. So how do we access the elements in an array? And each item in an array is an element. So how do we access it? It's through its index. And the index is the number in which it appears in the list, starting at 0. So this would be 0, this would be 1, this would be 2. So to access it, we would just type the scalar of the array, which is starting it with its $sign symbol. And then we would type in 1, and that would give me chicken, because we start at 0, so it goes 0, 1, 2. So we'll see that when we print that out in just a second. And here, let's do food. 2 is there. How do we loop through it to get each of the elements, or print each of the elements, or do something to each of the elements? Again, the simple easy for each food in the array foods, let's do something with it. Here we're going to print the food is food, new line. Now let's bring up a prompt and let's run it. There we go. Let's look at a couple things here. Food 2 is chicken, which is correct. Food 2 is food 1, 0, 1, so it's the second item. Its index is 1, but it's the second item. So here it looped through each of the foods. The food is pizza. The food is chicken. The food is burrito. There you go. Really simple how to understand, create, and loop through arrays in Perl. Hope you enjoyed it.